Frank Farmer from American Metal Roofs joins us again. Frank, good to see you again.
Thank you for having me.
As a roofing expert, Frank, aside from doing residential roofs, I know American Metal Roofs has done a number of church projects.
Yes.
All over the state, including a few in the Lansing area.
Absolutely. We probably have done, I've lost track, we've done so many, maybe 40, maybe 50 projects, but specifically in Lansing, I can remember St. Paul's Episcopal downtown, big historic church.
Right.
Okay. First one we did was about 20 years ago out on Delta River Drive. Did the First United Methodist Church out there in beautiful church, green roof. Outstanding.
Yeah.
Well, tell me about the advantages American Metal Roof has for working with churches.
Sure. Churches have a unique challenge compared to a lot of buildings in that they're going to be there forever. So they end up putting on generally a permanent type of roof to start with, and then their options after that, when I say permanent, they might put on a slate roof or a tile roof, and it's going to be 75, 80 years. And then that needs to be replaced with another permanent roof, but churches tend to then move towards asphalt thinking they're going to get 30, 40, 50 years, and they don't. So a permanent metal roof puts them right back into that permanent realm, except for some of the choices they make today can last them a couple hundred years.
Wow. It looks like every church as well has different roofing needs. The ones that we just saw on the screen are so varied. How does American Metal Roofs accommodate the unique nature of those church properties and projects?
Every one of them is unique in its way, and it takes special techniques because some of the churches were built at different times and they have walls that are moving or roof lines are moving, heaving, hoving with frost. That was the case with the Episcopal Church here in Lansing. They had problems with that. And we have special flashing techniques, but such as the church in Grass Lake that we did, the United Methodist there, it has great big spires, 100 feet in the air. It takes big monster cranes, 150-foot cranes that are up there reaching out around and wrapping around.
Wow.
But it's what we do. Metal roofing is all that we do. It is a specialty, and we're known for it throughout the state with churches.
And you have a lot of choices and things that people can look at and decide.
Yes, they can go with a traditional standing seam, or they can use things that look like slate or tile or shake. Some of the churches, one we did over near Oakmas, had shake on it that was removed and had to have a shake product put on.
Wow, okay.
Well, we're going to put your information on the screen. American Metal Roofs, 844 Metal Roof, or just visit the website, AmericanMetalRoofs.com. Frank, always great to have you on hand.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us on The Morning Blend.